In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Solana from Solflare Wallet. In this example, I will withdraw it to my Trust wallet, but you can withdraw it to any wallet or exchange you want. To do this, first go and open up Solflare Wallet and simply click Send. Now here you need to then enter an address or choose one of your previous addresses. So I already have crypto.com here, but again, I will use my Trust wallet. So just open up the wallet or exchange you want to send to. And from there, click Receive or Deposit, and then just select that you want to deposit or receive Solana. Then copy your wallet address, and then on Solflare Wallet, go and paste in that wallet address. Now you also need to make sure that you use the Solana network, which is the one that Solflare uses. Now from here you can choose how much you want to withdraw. I'll just click Max and then click Continue. And now you can slide to Approve. And now it's going to send to, in my case, my Trust wallet. You can now see success, and I'll also save the address as my Trust wallet Solana address. So now you can see it's gone from my balance here, and now on Trust wallet it will show up. So I'll just wait for it to be deposited to show you that it actually works. So it's already here. As you can see, it only took about 10 seconds, and I have now withdrawn my Solana from Solflare Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.